In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload videos to Systeme IO course. By the end, you'll know exactly how to open the lecture editor, place a video on the page, and upload your file so it streams smoothly for your students. First, let's open the lecture you want to edit. From your dashboard, go to Assets, or it may appear as Products, then choose Courses and select the course you're working on. Inside your course, click the module that contains the lecture you want. Next, click the lecture itself to highlight it. To make changes, select the Edit button with the magic wand icon. That opens the drag and drop editor, where you can modify the layout and content of your lesson in a visual way. Take a moment to notice the left-hand panel with elements you can add, and the canvas in the middle where your lecture content lives. Now let's set up the video on the page. If your template already includes a video placeholder, click it to select it. If not, drag the video element from the left panel into your lecture where you want it to appear. Place it in a clean, visible spot so learners can find it right away. Once the video element is selected, look to the left sidebar for its settings. This is where you'll control how the video is sourced and displayed. In the video type dropdown, choose Upload File. This tells the editor you'll be uploading a file directly, rather than linking from another platform. Keep the video element selected so you can proceed smoothly to the upload. Next, upload your video. Click the cloud icon to open the file uploader. You can drag and drop your video file into the window, or click to browse your computer and select it. Keep in mind there's a maximum of 2 GB per video. For better performance, it's recommended to keep files under 100 MB by compressing them first with a tool like Handbrake. A 720p or optimized 1080p MP4 using H.264 usually strikes a good balance of quality and size, which helps your pages load faster and reduces buffering for students on slower connections. Watch the progress indicator and wait for the upload to complete. When it's finished, click Insert to place the video into your lecture. That's it. You opened the lecture editor, added or selected the video element, set the source to upload file, and uploaded your video. Follow these steps each time you add a new lesson video, and your course content will look clean, professional, and ready for your students to watch.